Hello and welcome to our comparison of two popular kitchen appliances. In this video, we'll be looking at the Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL and the Instant Vortex 4-in-1. We'll evaluate each product based on different categories to help you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. If you're cooking for a large family, the Ninja Foodi's extra-large 8-quart ceramic-coated pot and 5-quart ceramic-coated cook and crisp basket are perfect for you. On the other hand, the Instant Vortex has a smaller capacity and is ideal for 1 to 2 servings. Product A, Ninja Foodi, is best for larger families. The Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL offers 12 programmable cooking functions including pressure cook, air fry, steam, slow cook, and more. The Instant Vortex offers 4-in-1 functionality: air fry, bake, roast, and reheat. However, Product A, Ninja Foodi, offers more versatility. Both products offer advanced technology features. The Ninja Foodi's Tender Crisp technology quickly pressure cooks ingredients and gives them a crispy golden air fryer finish. Meanwhile, the Instant Vortex's Even Crisp technology ensures a perfect golden finish every time. However, Product A, Ninja Foodi, is best for those who crave a tender inside and crispy outside. The Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL is more expensive than the Instant Vortex. Product B, Instant Vortex 4-in-1, is the more budget-friendly option. Both products are equipped with safety features such as auto-off and overheat protection. Product A, Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL, has 14 rigorous safety features that provide peace of mind when cooking. According to the manufacturer, both products use less energy than traditional electric ovens. However, instant appliances like the ones we reviewed use up to 60% less energy than conventional ovens. Product B, Instant Vortex 4-in-1, is the most energy-efficient option. That's it for our comparison of the Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL and the Instant Vortex 4-in-1. We hope this video helped you make a decision based on your needs. Don't forget to like and share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews.